What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we're going to be talking about Cardano today. So we've been actually taking a bit of a dip here in our Cardano. We went all the way up here from $1.19 all the way down here to $1.06, and that was all within the time span of one day. This is big. This is like a big dip for Cardano. Not too big, but it is a dip for Cardano. So what's happening here with Cardano? It's pretty much the same thing going on with all cryptocurrencies right now. It's because of this cryptocurrencies fall on possible Biden capital gains tax hike. Kramer, Draper, and others react. So yes, Cardano is only dropping because of this. Cryptocurrencies are falling because of the capital gains that Biden is trying to do, and this is really bad. I don't want them to do this to us. We don't need any more taxes. No matter if you're rich or you're poor, you don't really need more taxes than what they're putting on us. Really, I think we should only do like 10% in taxes, but that's just me personally. But they're trying to tax people a lot more now, and that is why we are dropping here. Yeah, let's go down here. They say cracks are forming in the cryptocurrency space. The overall crypto market lost more than $200 billion. $200 billion in Friday's trading session after reports surfaced that President Joe Biden would seek to raise capital gains taxes on millionaire investors to fund other policy initiatives. I don't see why they have to continue to do this, but yeah, they're gonna continue to put more taxes on people, and that's going to continue to drive the price down here. So this is definitely bad for crypto. I'm still optimistic with Cardano and Dogecoin, but this is still really bad for us, because if this capital gains tax actually goes through, then the millionaires who are invested inside of crypto are going to take their money out before this happens, so then they can lock inside the current tax rates. So this is a really big thing going on here with crypto. And we actually lost a lot of market cap here. Let's go over here and see our market cap. Our market cap for Cardano is at 34 billion. We were higher than this, but now we're lower. And Dogecoin is at 31 billion. But yeah, every day we just keep dropping here because of the capital gains tax. And some people even say that they're gonna try to do a 80% tax, but I don't think that's gonna actually go through. I think we'll probably end up doing the capital tax on the millionaires. They wanted to do like 40% or something like that, or 39% from 37%. It's not much of a difference. It's only like a few percent difference, but it's still big, I guess, for the millionaires invested. That's still millions of dollars for people, because people have billions inside of this. So this is really big for all the big whales. This is really big news, and their money really dictates where our money goes, because their money has more of a pool inside of the market, because they have so much more Cardano and so much more Dogecoin and so much more cryptos than us. They take over the market, and when they pull out, they take the market with them, and then we continue to drop and take out those losses. But yeah, pretty much that's all that happens whenever you see this go down. This is just people taking money out because of this bad news that we have with Cardano. But honestly, in the long run, Cardano is going to do good. As you can see, Cardano Africa, they're going to have an Africa special on the April 29th. This is about to be big. Cardano is about to be in Africa. This is huge right here. This is a whole continent right here, and Cardano is about to enter into Africa. This is really big for all of us. So yeah, I'm definitely pretty happy about this. This is definitely really bullish for Cardano. But overall, with this, with the tax, the capital gains tax, leading up to the tax, leading up to the capital gains tax, we're definitely going to continue to drop. But when we finally get there, I think we'll continue to level out a little bit, and then we'll continue to go up, because it's not just gonna halt the gains overall, like long term, but this is definitely gonna hurt us for like the next month or so. Like, we may trade sideways for a lot of cryptos, or we may not. This is another article here that says Cardano price at critical threshold as ADA seeks to end correction. And I definitely agree with the stuff they say inside here. I'll get to that really quick. But over here, you can kind of see like the only drops we've been having is because of this capital gains tax. And I would say without the capital gains tax, we would be continuing to go up the trend line that we set. but then we got the news about this tax. So then now we're off the trend line. We were set to go like this, but the capital gains tax, it just hit us. So then we continued to go down. We broke that line that we were going to continue to raise on. We broke that trend line because of this capital gains tax. So this would have been perfect. This would have been perfect for Cardano, but this is a bad time for capital gains tax to go. But now, as you can see, we're setting a new trend line with the capital gains tax being announced. Now our new trend line is going like this. So they literally hijacked our shine right here. We were really gaining a lot here with Cardano, but we may just end up seeing lower lows right now. So this is not good for Cardano or any crypto in general. But Cardano in general as a crypto is doing really good because they're about to be accepted in Africa. That's a whole continent about to be in on Cardano. Africa has a huge population. So this is really big for Africa because this will also help their currency. This will help bring a lot of value out there. This will help a lot of people. So this is really big, and I definitely think that we're going to continue to rise here. Let's look at this article. Cardano price at critical threshold as ADA seeks to end correction. Cardano price bulls hoping for burst of price strength. So we did just decline over 40%, and you got to think like almost every crypto has dropped almost 40%. So this is not just Cardano. This is almost every crypto, and not just 40%. I mean, almost every crypto has dropped at least like 10% to 20% since the capital gains thing was announced. So this is really big right here. Some have even dropped 30%. But as you can see, we were doing really good here in Cardano. So if the capital gains things comes out and then they agree on something that is actually doable and it's not some crazy amount that we have to pay, we might just stop this trend line here early. And if we stop it early, we can continue to go back on our path. And if we continue to go back on our path, people will be optimistic. So you will probably see something more like this, and it will go up and then up over time, and then we'll reach back there eventually because we have to get back at this trend line. So we'll probably reach there eventually, but we have to wait for this capital gains news to come because we need good news with it. If we do not have the good news with our capital gains tax, then we will continue to go down here on this trend line, which is not necessarily too bad for Cardano because then you just have an opportunity to buy in at a lower amount. And you got to think it's really only the millionaires that are getting taxed right now for this crypto. Like, look at this. They're targeting millionaires. They're not really targeting the smaller people. Like, we still have to pay taxes, obviously, but it's taxes that we would have already been paying because we're already going to be paying taxes on all of our income. It's just something that we all have to do, but they're only going to be taxing the rich a lot more than us. So you got to think about that. This will not affect us, but it does affect us. It does affect us indirectly because when the whales take all their money out, that's when we start to lose money, because when they take the money out, they're really just taking the money from us. And it's just a cycle. It's a constant cycle here, and I don't know why we got to keep doing this thing with the taxes. I think we just need to stay at standard tax rates forever, 10%. That's what I'm saying. We need a Marsellis government right now. We need a Marsellis democracy. This is what we need. Marsellis for president. I will be running for president, or maybe not, but either way, Cardano is going to rise. Either way, Dogecoin is going to rise. We are all going to rise in this in the end. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't be too worried. I would say if you want, take out some profits that you already have. If you have a lot of profits, I would say take out your profits, or actually take out your initial investment and leave your profits. So then you lose nothing really, and you just let it continue to grow. That's maybe what I'll do with Dogecoin when we finally reach $1. I'll take out all my profits and I'll just leave, or I'll take my initial investment out and I'll leave the profits, let the profits grow. And the profits will obviously be way more than an initial investment because Dogecoin is going to the moon. That's just one thing. Cardano is also going to go up. But Cardano right now, we are definitely in a good place, but crypto in general is not in a good place because of Biden and his capital gains tax. I thought they were just going to stop there, but I don't know if they will stop there. Hopefully they will, but we never know with the government. They always do different things here. We always got all these articles every day, so these articles are being pushed in people's faces every day, so people are looking bearish every day and taking their money out of crypto. So in result, we get all of these dips here. We start to lose money, but Cardano will reach a amount down here, and then we will continue to rise. We just need to continue to go down this trend line, I guess, until people decide to put their money back in. But I'm already all in on Dogecoin. So I'm waiting for this Dogecoin to hit the moon. I'm waiting for this. I'm holding strong on Dogecoin. Then I will be holding strong on the Cardano after this, because I can't just wait forever with Dogecoin. But I do know Dogecoin is going to hit $1. So as soon as it happens, I'm going to take those profits out. I'm going to put some inside Cardano. Then I'm going to be diversified a little bit more. But yeah, that's the current plan here with me. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So invest at your own will and at your own risk. Investing in crypto can be really risky, so definitely watch out for that. And yeah, check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull. And you can also get Dogecoin on Webull now. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.